Hello and welcome back to my technical analysis. Today I'm doing technical analysis on request. I am going to be looking at XRP Ripple and ADA Cardano, which were requested in my previous video. First of all, I have to tell you I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say and do in these videos is for entertainment purposes only, so be smart and do your own research before you put any of your hard-earned money on the market. Well, while we put this disclaimer on, let's just get to it. Okay, so we're here looking first at XRP on the daily chart against US dollar. So I don't like trading or holding XRP because most of the XRP market cap is held by most of the XRP coins are held by banks and the founders of the XRP, so the price is usually really manipulated. As you can see, all these pumps here and then crashes. So I am not a big fan of XRP. However, if you do like XRP, who am I to judge? So let's just go to the analysis. Looking at the daily chart, well, all we do have here is this one huge bump, to be honest, at 2017, 2018. The previous bull rally, but let's put this on logarithmic chart so we can look at it a little bit clearer. And yeah, still not looking good. We can see that there is a nice support here. Let me just make this a little bit clearer. Let's make it a full line. There we go. So we do have a little bit of support around, let's say 18 cents, somewhere around here. We found support here multiple times. We stayed around this 18 to 20 cents for a long time, even found some support here. However, if we do go lower and close above this, I'm gonna be extremely bearish on the XRP. However, considering that this line was tested for how long? We were here for about 200 days, then we were here for another 200 days. This could be a nice buying opportunity if you are gonna be holding XRP. There was nice deep down here. We went back up to about 30 cents and then we dumped back. But dumps like this is why I don't like to trade XRP, because this coin is extremely manipulated. Every time the price goes above some resistance that we found here and here, you can put another line here as a resistance. Every time we rose above this line, there was just a huge sell-off and we dumped back down. Even though this was about 150%, if you were buying down here, this was about 260% pump. It went all the way back down about 78, 79%. This is why I'm not a huge fan. If you do manage to trade and catch a pump like this to the upside, this would be great, a great trade. However, I would not be holding XRP for a long time, because as you see, every time we had a pump, we had a huge dump. We had another pump and XRP just dumped down. I mean, this was the bear market for Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin is right now above its previous all-time high, while XRP is not even close. It's still 10 times lower, even less than 10 times lower. So yeah, as you can see, we do have a clear downwards trajectory, and we are also making lower lows while Bitcoin was already making higher lows and higher highs. The only higher high we made was here, and even here we went down. Yeah, we did create a higher low from here if you're looking at it, but it is still possible for XRP to dump even lower. I mean, there is not much to tell. There is some resistance around, let's say about 37, so I mean 73, 70, let's say about 80 cents, where these previous weeks were. We had some price action here, some support found here, but we broke it relatively quickly. So yeah, this is not the coin I would be looking at for trading or holding. You could be trading it if you know what you're doing, but just know that it's extremely risky, because when markets are pumping here, it's extremely volatile and we are doing a lot of percentages. Let's look at XRP against BTC here. And yeah, this chart is even worse. To be honest, we are constantly creating lower lows and lower highs. If you put a trend line from previous low down to here, you can see that we do have some support on this line, and we can put a line like this, and this is our resistance. We are trading in a falling wedge, which could mean that if XRP breaks this line, we could see a nice pump to the upside as we did here. However, this is if we do break this line. It could be that Bitcoin just starts pumping and XRP dumps below this line, which would be extremely bearish. And if you're looking at the XRP BTC chart as we are right now, XRP is at its all-time lows. It even when the chart started, we were at around 2,275 sats, while we are now sitting at only 866 sats. So yeah, XRP, it's extremely how would you say, I mean, Bitcoin outperformed XRP extremely well. So why would you even hold XRP while Bitcoin is doing extremely better? This is it for XRP. I'm not gonna go into any more details. Let's be honest, we are in a downward trajectory for a while. So let's look at ADA or Cardano against USD first, and here we go. Cardano started on this chart, at least started at around, what was this, $0.1, which was about 10 cents. It was lower before, but I don't have history here. It went good, and then we had this huge dump to the downside. If you look this as a pattern, it was a falling wedge. We had a nice bump then, and right now we are sitting at, what was it, 29 cents. It's the same price as XRP, but trust me, I would bet my money on Cardano before I do on XRP any time of the day, if you ask me. However, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence and do your own research before you invest any of your hard-earned money into these volatile markets. Let's look for some support and resistances. We do have some support around here. We could draw a box here. I'm just gonna do two lines from here to around here. This would be our previous support. We did break it, test it, and then we went to the upside. So it would be nice to see Cardano go down and retest this previous resistance as support, even though we already did. However, if Cardano pumps, we can see some resistance here. This is the previous weeks and our current week at around 38 cents. If we break through that, that's not much history, but I would say about 64 cents would be a resistance, and then somewhere around our all-time high at $1.4, which is still great. This would still be from here to the up here about 400% pump. There's not much to tell actually. We can look at some Fibonacci extensions here, Fibonacci lines. Just a second. Okay, and we're gonna be looking from here down to here. And let me just change the color so it's a little more visible. And we are finding some support on 1.618 Fibonacci extension. If we get a bounce from here, we could go to up to test. We could go to the upside and test 2.618 Fibonacci extension. If we break that, 3.618 would be my next target, which corresponds with these price actions right here this week, and of course the 4.236 extension, which again corresponds with these few weeks here and price action. We did find some support and some resistance here. Not much to tell. Let's go to Cardano against BTC. And again, Bitcoin outperformed Cardano extremely well. So I mean, don't get me wrong, this is extremely good buying opportunity if you are trying to invest into some altcoins right now, because once the altcoin season starts, even XRP is gonna outperform Bitcoin by a lot. It could start doing 100 to 200 to 300% pumps to the upside, as we saw here. So this is still a good buying opportunity for Cardano against Bitcoin or XRP against Bitcoin. However, I am a big fan of Bitcoin, even less of all these altcoins. I am holding some of Cardano. I can't tell you how much, but again, if you like the coin, if you like the technology, you can invest in it. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research. Look up for what these coins are aiming to do, what is their strategy, and what is their technology. And if you do like what you see, you can invest some of your money into these coins. However, again, you should only invest a small amount of your portfolio holding into altcoins. Most of your holding should be in Bitcoin and Ethereum, if you do ask me. Again, just my opinion. Let's look at some resistances. I found some resistance here. We saw some bounces of support here, 2 bounces of support here, 1 bounce of resistance here. So looking again Bitcoin, this would be our next resistance at 1953 sats. We are currently sitting at 848 sats. So this would be what, 160%? No, 130% pump. And if we're looking at support, we have a clear support right here. This would be a great buying opportunity if we ever get this low again. This is at 417 sats. And we have a smaller resistance here. We saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bounces as a resistance, and we have a few bounces of support here. 1, 2, 3. This one was tested as a resistance, and again as support. So yeah, if we break this line, I'm pretty sure Cardano is gonna go all the way up to 1900 sats, which would be just below 100% pump to the upside. And again, if you are trading altcoins, I do suggest you are trading against Bitcoin, because the whole point is to accumulate Bitcoin, and this way, trust me, you are gonna be making a lot more money. We can see a nice bullish divergence here, if I'm not mistaken, while the price is creating, turn this red, while the price is creating lower low. The RSI, let me just move this to the side. The RSI is making higher lows, so this could be a bullish divergence, which could mean that Cardano is ready to break to the upside. And yeah, this would be the level I would be looking for, 1900 and let's say 50 sats. It's all around here. On the daily chart you're not going to be finding the exact price targets. Let's see if any divergence were found here before. It's really hard to look for divergence on the daily charts like this. Yeah, you can see a clear divergence was made here. We were trading with lower lows while RSI was trading higher lows, so it's the same divergence. So you could expect a pump from here. You can see that this price area from here to here right now is very similar to the price action from here to here. So we had 1, 2 tests to the upside, found resistance, so it's very similar. So we could see a nice pump to the upside here. However, don't take me for a word. This is all just speculating on its previous price actions. Well, this is gonna be it for tonight. Hope you enjoyed this extra video. If you do like my content, please destroy the like button, comment below if you want me to do technical analysis for any other coins. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. So be smart. That's all I'm saying, guys. Again, if you like my videos and you want to support me, destroy the like button, click subscribe, notification button, so you get notified as soon as I post my next video. Until the next video, see you guys later.